What is going on, everybody? So today is the Mayhem sale on TCG Player, so I figured we'd just go through a lot of the booster boxes and kind of see what's going on. There are some pretty crazy price moves in a lot of these boxes, so if you've seen this today, this might not be the video for you, but I'm going to give my take on all of these boxes, so maybe I'll try and add some value. And we're also going to look at some PCTPs at the end of this. I'm going to give you guys that info. So first things first, we'll start off with Battle Styles booster box. Nothing crazy, but we are over $200 now today. A lot of sales in that like 200, 205 range coming in now. And maybe as the day goes on, because I'm recording this at about 3 p.m. PST, so I think the sale still goes for another 5 hours. So we might still see some movement upwards in a lot of these boxes. And by the way, guys, if you are planning to buy anything, I'll leave an affiliate link in the pinned comment if you want to help your boy out. And a lot of you guys have already used my affiliate link today. So again, thank you. I do appreciate that. But buy responsibly. Like, don't buy if you weren't planning to buy anything. But if you were, it's much appreciated. Chilling Reign next up. A lot of these boxes you will kind of see moves. Some of them you won't. Chilling Reign's one of those boxes that really didn't move a ton today in terms of upward momentum. But we did have a lot of sales come through. Like, this whole first page is from today. I guess like the highest sale maybe here, 460-ish range. That may be the highest, but you can see today like lots of volume compared to past days. You had cases selling $431 a box, five boxes selling at $450 a piece. So lots of sales in that range. Evolving Skies, when I checked earlier, there weren't any sales. Today, it looks like actually no booster box. A lot of this is like loose stuff in Chinese and Korean, which is annoying. I remember I had someone comment that they were really annoyed with how many Chinese and Korean listings showed up on these sales pages. I agree. I hate seeing the Chinese stuff. I hate seeing like loose pack equivalents. If TCG Player could clean that up eventually, that would be great. Fusion Strike, I think I saw a couple sales on this. So you had sales at $850, and then you had loose packs selling in that $440 range. And that was it. So I think it was just that one sale today. But still, $850, that is a big sale for a Fusion Strike booster box. Next up, Brilliant Stars. This one is going about the $430 range. Again, lots of sales today. Nothing too crazy. We're not seeing a jump up to 500, but just a lot of sales compared to days previous. So there you go. Astral Radiance, I think it's the same deal. Just more sales volume today, 425, 400, 440, 450 almost. So, you know, this box is trying to test that like mid 400-ish range, which is, it's crazy that Astral Radiance at this point is more expensive or about the same price as Chilling Reign, because for the longest time, Astral Radiance was nowhere near Chilling Reign, but now, you know, the market we're in, it's just, it really is crazy. And speaking of crazy, we have Lost Origin up next, $530 most recent sale, $525, $510, $515. So a lot of the sales from today are over $500. And I mean, the most recent one is around that $530 price point. Maybe we'll see a higher sale over the next 5 hours before the sale ends, but tough to tell there. Either way, this is a legit $500 box at this point on TCG Player. Silver Tempest, I was curious to see if this would hit 400 today. Doesn't look like it's going to get there, but we had sales 365, 374, 366. So it is, you know, pushing towards 400, closer to that than 300 at this point. Now moving into Scarlet Violet era, we've seen some pretty crazy moves today. So SV base is officially over $200, and most recent sales, yeah, pretty much right there. You had one at 210, 206, maybe a couple below it as well, 195-ish range, but most of them are over $200 at this point. And it's crazy, pretty much every booster box at this point is over $200. Paldea Evolved, I got so much shit for saying we were going to see a $300 sale on this box, probably on this day. And most sales are at that like 285 range, but there was one sale down here that did hit $300. So I will take that to the bank. But crazy move on Paldea this week. Like, let's look at the 1 month chart here, 28% up. And honestly, about a week and a half ago, you could have bought this around 250. Not even a week and a half ago, about a week ago in that 250-ish range. Now pushing $300. Obsidian Flames, another crazy box here, almost 230. But what's crazier is some of these sales today, like most of it's in the 250 range, which is ridiculous already that this box is pushing higher than Surging Sparks. And honestly, it's where Paldea Evolved was a week ago. Yet a sale, $299.99, 2 boxes sold there. Obsidian Flames mid 200s at this point. Paradox Rift is also over $200. Most recent sales, you do have one at 199 here, but a lot in that like 215 range, some in 205 range. So maybe it balances out around $210. And again, it's just the volume of boxes that we've seen sold today. It's not just one or two on average. It's, dozens and dozens of boxes moving. Temporal Forces also over $200, and most recent sales close to 230, 225, 220-ish range. And we're almost at the end of the video here. We'll bump through a few of these and then look at some PCTPs. So Twilight Masquerade, 227-ish average, and lots of sales in this range still. So this box didn't see a huge push up, whereas something like Paldea Evolved, Obsidian Flames, those definitely saw larger gains today, but still a lot of volume in that 225, 230-ish range. Stellar Crown back over $200 as well, and a lot of sales in that 215 to 220 range, similar to Paradox Rift. Next up, we have Surging Sparks. This box has been tanking, not really tanking, but correcting over the past couple months as we're getting more on the market. And $238 seems kind of like the market price right now. Lots of sales in this range today, 237, 239, 238, but still sub 240. So even Obsidian Flames is higher than Surging Sparks at this point. And then Journey Together, this is really the only box right around $200. I think yesterday was below 200. Still lots of sales today in the 199-ish range, some pushing like 201-ish, but right there around $200 for the enhanced version. I think the non-enhanced version is like 210, 215. I didn't really check the sales today. I just stared at the enhanced one. And then Destined Rivals pre-orders. I was curious to see what would happen today with this, and lots of sales in that 265 range. Lots and lots of sales for Destined Rivals. I'm really excited for Destined Rivals to come out here in a couple weeks. I think the set is great. It will be the #1 booster box of the Scarlet Violet era, despite what anyone thinks. That is just the cold, hard truth. But that said, the best investment of the SV era may be 151 ETBs. Guys, when these hit $200 back in early March, a couple months ago, I thought surely these would start to slow down. No, they're still up over 10% since then. And honestly, over the past couple days, this went from 215 into the 230 range. We are now seeing tons of sales today, $230-ish, even closer to like 240 actually on a lot of these sales, which is just crazy. Like another 20% increase over the past couple months. Obviously, part of this is due to Mayhem, but lots of boxes of this still moving. And even on the secondary market, I actually haven't finished the regular specialty data for today. But the PC 151 boxes are still moving. I'm going to show you guys all of this because honestly, a lot of you guys use the affiliate link today. The support on the channel has just been wild. So I will show you guys all of this. This is the PC stuff right here. You can see like a lot of boxes don't move a ton. But if you come down here and look at Prismatic, 25.5 boxes are selling per day. These are the PC ETBs. And then where's 151 up here somewhere? 1.64. So considering that these are like $450 USD per box, the fact that they're selling at 1.64 is very, very impressive. And there was also a case that sold this week for $2,000. So that's $500 a box in a sealed case for 151 PC ETBs. Guys, just crazy growth today. Obviously, I'm not saying that this is sustainable. I think we might see some of these prices come back down over the next few weeks, but some of them might not. You never know. And again, I'm recording this video at about 3 p.m. PST, so there's still a little bit of time left in the sale, but I don't know if that's really going to change anything. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys are in the spreadsheet, sorry I'm not done yet. Like I've had to open so many tabs today. Honestly, I'm becoming a professional at doing that fast. And I'm almost done, just finishing up Prismatic. It's crazy how many regular Prismatic ETBs are on the secondary market right now. If you guys are in there, you'll go check. It really is wild how much is out there, but it's getting chewed through at a very fast pace as well. So with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Stay safe wherever you are in the world. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch you in the next one.